Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Buttock Enhancement Cream Reviews. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream Review. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream helps visibly smooth and tighten the appearance of your skin thanks to potent, caffeine-rich guarana extract. The fast-absorbing Cupuaçu butter delivers deep hydration and essential fatty acids deep into the skin, making this incredibly hydrating cream an instant treat to leave your skin feeling silky soft. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream's antioxidant-packed ingredients like Guaraná Extract and Açaí oil help prevent environmental damage on your skin. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is infused with Brazil nut oil, the most selenium-rich food in the world, to help support the skin's natural ability to protect itself while giving it the glow of healthy-looking skin. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is irresistibly scented with our Cheirosa 62 fragrance with delicious notes of pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla. Apply this body cream all over and you'll feel body confidence wherever you go. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream has a 4.5 star rating with 25,236 Amazon customer reviews.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.